Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another listening of today. Welcome back, guys. For today, I'm going to make sure I give you some tips. I'm going to make sure I give you some, some ideas, tricks that you're going to use tomorrow in church, in your service tomorrow. So, make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss anything I'm going to show you. Okay. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can, improvise, like add some little spice over your worship songs. If you come across a worship songs in church, so I believe by tomorrow you should play like a professional. You play like a very good guitarist. Okay. All right. So without wasting much of the time, let's move straight to the video. But before that, we know that it's the first time you come across my video. Like always, like usual, do wait to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay. If you like the video, smash on the like button. I'm going to appreciate that. And if you have any challenges, do wait to hit on the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. And also, like I usually say, if you want to join my online class on WhatsApp, it's not a free class, it's a payable class. You need a personal class, chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. All right, let's go straight to the video. All right, so welcome back. So, I'm going to use this popular song I normally use. Now you can use this. You can use everything I'm going to show you in the key, any key you find yourself, whether in the key of C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. Any key you find yourself, you can use the same method, okay? But for today, we'll be learning the key of B. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, So let me play this popular song I normally play, You Are the Reason. So I can use it to show you some things you need to know, okay?
Jesus, aren't you just everything to us? You're our master, you're a savior. Everything that we are, you are, Jesus. We just want to say that we love you, God. And you're the reason that we live. We bless you, Jesus.
So when the song is starting like this, when the worship song is starting like this, the first thing you're going to do is that if you have a sustain pedal, okay? If you have a sustain pedal, you can use it to play something like that.
You're just the very one for me.
Okay, so like.
You are the reason only. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. Help me sing, come sing.
Now, after this, the next thing you're going to play is something like this. Just be playing the chord. So now this is where you can play a sustain. Okay, stuff like that. Now you come to the discussion. So now you just play the notes of the song out. Okay, stuff like that. Just be meditating. sustain that song.
In you, God, I live. I move
Okay.
and have my being. You're everything, Jesus. You're everything.
Now, if you come across songs like that, there's so many songs that sounds same way like this. Okay, you just have to apply that.
See, you're the one.
Now, if a song come down like this, all you need to do, you play,
You're the one for me.
you make a vibrato over that note. Okay, so the first word I say, you play, sir. Okay, so this is my sus2 chord, B sus2. So I didn't press the note. I didn't press the note. I just placed my finger on top of the note. Just go to my saw. So all you have to do is just to make sure you have a very good timing, you know, to bring out those dynamics, okay, in those mute. You are the blessing of me. You got the work for me. Now should I be when I'm with you? And the one alone. Yeah, she love. That should I be and be to they don't know what you mean to me. So the second verse, you're going to just have to, you know, sustain that note. You are the one for me. Why should I be? Now this is where you play the note of those songs. Okay? So understand now, all you just have to do, just play the notes of those songs, you know, try to follow up the notes of that song, okay, while you know, make some melody over it. So what I played here was sol, mi, sol, la, re, mi, sol, mi, sol, la, re. Okay. So do re mi do, so do re mi so. So all you just have to do is just follow the song. When the song is going out, just like playing. If you play songs like I love you forever, I love you forever, I love you forever. Okay, stuff like that. That's how you improvise over the worship song. So when the song is calm, the beat calm, that is where you come up in the very slow. Okay, there's a whole lot of way to improvise that. So for the lesson, for today's lesson, just go ahead and practice that. Okay, whatever you don't understand, hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply. Okay.